Okay, so this is our lecture 11, and this lecture 11 is based on lecture 10, and this is a practice question which is based on 10, lecture 10, and format you have already seen. This will be dy by dx plus py is equal to q format, linear differential equation, degree 1, order 1, and also to practice this question, few things are prerequisite. Students should know integration, and a student should know basic changes in trigonometry. You can select mathematical steps, like for example, if somewhere it is written 1 minus x and it is written 1 minus x square, a student should have that idea that okay, I can split this as 1 minus x into 1 plus x, and 1 minus x will get cancelled. Like these kind of basic changes you should be able to solve, right? Not only this, even if somewhere sin 2x is written, somewhere cos 2x is written, then you should be very much comfortable with trigonometry formulas. Okay, and next, the last very important point related to this chapter, a student should be able to identify the nature of the problem of the differential equation. Okay, then only student can think, okay, which method student can apply. So I have taken this sin 2x into dy by dx minus y is equal to tan x. Now this is my question, what I am going to solve. So you pause and try to solve. See what are the things, what are the steps you should be able to think. Can you apply your variable separable method in this? You cannot. Is it a homogeneous? No. Can you reduce this to homogeneous? No. So how will you know these three things? So for these three things, you should be completely, like, you should be comfortable with these three methods. Then only you can judge, oh, this question is entirely different from the questions what I hope you understood, right? Now this is a different question. So you can be more smarter by more practice, and just by seeing the question, type of question, you can judge easily what will be the right method, and there you will save your time. Okay, but because it is a learning phase, so I am just telling you to be aware that in future if you will forget type of questions, then even though you have completed your PDE, your ODE lecture, you will not be able to tackle gate problems. Okay, so revision is important. So let's go for the solution. So sin 2x dy by dx minus y is equal to tan x. So if I talk about myself, so I am good at basic integrations. I can play with math steps, and also I can identify method based on the type of question. Okay, so I told you in previous videos, coefficient should be 1 for this dy by dx, correct? Because I know what is the nature of the problem. So I removed this sin 2x from here, I divided here, I divided here. Then I know how to play with the mathematical steps. So 1 by sin 2x I wrote as cosec 2x, and here tan x and sin 2x, this sin 2x I opened as 2 sin x cos x, then sin x, this tan x also I opened as sin x by cos x, sin x got cancelled, and 1 by 2, and cos became sec I took up sec square x. I hope you're clear with this also. You can do this step by yourself. Then this is my format to solve this numerical, correct? Now in this format, whenever numerical is given, we always attempt using this p and using this q. So this cosec 2x is my p and sec square x is my q, right? So this p value is your cosec 2x. So here you will write integrating factor. Now see guys, because practice and all is important, so lack of practice may lead you to confusion that in some questions here dy may come, here dt may come, like dx, dt, dy, dz, or any other variable may come. So which variable will come here? It depends. P is the function of x or y or z or something else. So depends on p is the function of which variable. Okay, so currently my p is minus cosec 2x. Okay, so integrating factor, see, integration you should be very comfortable. See, this is basic class integration. Okay, when you start learning integration, that time itself you learn how to differentiate sin x, how to differentiate cos x, tan x, cosec x, sec x, their differentiation also and their integration also. So integration of cosec 2x is the fundamental integration, and literally if you are not able to solve integration of cosec 2x by yourself, it means you have to go back to work using NCERT. Okay, solve all the examples in NCERT, you will be comfortable. It will not take more than 1 day. Just go and learn how to integrate trigonometry, this thing. Okay, 2 exercise, don't solve all exercises, just solve examples of NCERT. Okay, there you will be having enough. And next thing, important questions already I'm covering here, so their related practice you will be having. So how to integrate cosec 2x? Minus sign we will take out, that is not a problem. But if you want to integrate cosec 2x, there is a way how to integrate cosec x. So cosec x, if you want to integrate, then you will multiply with cosec x minus cot x, divide by cosec x minus cot x, and then cosec you multiply with this cosec and this cot, it will become cosec square x minus cosec x cot x, and then this will become your t. And I'll just show you how can you do this. Suppose you want to integrate this minus sign I took out, this cosec 2x. If you want to integrate, then first thing you make this as cosec x. How? This 2x you consider as t, so dx will become dt by 2. This 2 I send this side, correct? Now it became cosec t into dt. So let's integrate this. So cosec t minus cot t I multiplied, cosec t minus cot t I divided. Then this cosec t you multiply here and here, it will become cosec square t minus cosec x into cot x, and this part I left as it is. Now because we have done this practice, that's why I know this is the method how to integrate. So again I'm saying, go to NCERT, integrate sin x, integrate cos x, integrate tan x, integrate sec x, cosec x by yourself. And if you have any confusion, just go through those examples of NCERT. Okay, you'll be completely all right, don't worry for this. And this thing you consider as t, so the answer will come, because you know f dash x divided by fx, if you have, then log fx ln fx will be your answer. So this is your fx, this complete term is your f dash x. So this became your t, correct? I hope you understood. So this ln t will come, and this minus 1 by 2 was there itself from the beginning. You can check from here, we are getting 1 by 2, and this 2 is coming because this 2 was there, and minus sign is from the question itself. Okay, we are going through now. So we reached here. Now see, in GATE exam you can leave here itself at this step, but usually whenever brackets will be like this, cosec t in minus cot t, they further solve and they reach till tan value. I have this experience, that's why I am going to convert this into tan. So cosec you can write 1 by sine, cot you can write cos by sine. So 1 minus cos by sine is your final thing. Now t you can replace with 2x, because here we considered this t as 2x. So this will be cos 2x and sine 2x, right? Then again, cos 2x is having 4 formulas, very popular they are. 1 minus 2 sine square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, cos square minus sine square, 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. So these formulas should be comfortable. And currently, which formula you should pick? Out of these 4, you choose that formula where 1 minus 2x can come. So the first formula, if you relate cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x, send this one this side. Sorry, send this 2 sine square this side and cos this side, so it will become 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sine square x. So 1 minus cos 2x, this I will replace with 2 sine square x. Okay, so this sine 2x is now here. This I will break as 2 sin x cos x, that is well known formula for us. Done. Sin x you will cancel, 2 you will cancel, and 1 by 2, okay, 1 minus sign was there, this minus sign should be here, this minus sign is here already. So tan x will be there, sin by cos, tan x will come, and this 1 by 2 we can take here because it is log, right? Ln, you know, right? A ln x base y, so this a you can put here, it can be n, it can be m, anything. So finally what I'm getting, ln of this, so ln of tan x, and this whole power I'm getting minus 1 by 2. So I'm going to my main question. So you can see in this main question where we got stuck. We got stuck here at the integration, correct? So that integration came as ln of tan power 1 by minus 1 by 2. Okay, and this kind of problem already we have solved in previous classes. This ln base is e, so this is e, this is e, so final answer will be coming only this much, tan x whole power 1 by, minus 1 by 2, and this I can write as 1 by under tan x. Okay, it means my integrating factor I got how much? 1 by under tan x. So this used to be solution of this kind of problem, correct? So this integrating factor I will substitute here and I will substitute here. This is your q value minus 1 by 2 sec square x. Okay, then further this integration can be problem for the student. Okay, now because here also you have one integration now, so in that case again integration is a problem. So this part how will you tackle? Consider this tan x. Always remember there is a trick. Always try to search whenever you have integration in your life. Always try to search. Can, like, somehow is it possible to search fx and f dash x term? Is it possible? Okay, so yes, it is possible. And don't worry, integration also I will cover in mathematics. Integration is very important to cover from my side. I will cover integration also in mathematics. So this part done here. And you know what, earlier when calculator was allowed, that time you could solve integration problems using your calculator, but now those kind of calculators are not allowed. Only basic calculator is allowed, so they can ask integration problems also. So I will cover integration. And you know, when I will cover in full detail easily. It will be very easy for you. Okay, done. What is next point? Consider this tan x is equal to t, then sec square x, differentiate sec square x dx is equal to t. So I was saying, whenever tan x is there, there is huge chance sec square x will be there in the integration. There is huge chance, because differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So you can consider t and go ahead. Some people consider u and go ahead. So this will be your format. Then integrate under root t, it will come root t by half. This half and half will get cancelled. Replace t value with tan x. Then this integration came as under root tan x, and this was earlier. So finally multiply root tan x here and root tan x here, we got our tan x into c root, and this became your final answer. So what is the student's weakness? Trigonometry changes and formulas can be your weakness. And when you don't have integration proficiency, again you will face the problem. So let's go for the next lecture 12.